Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to program Audi Q8 garage door opener. Start by parking within 3 feet of the garage door and switch the ignition to accessory. Find the home link buttons on the rearview mirror and clear any previous codes if needed. Press and hold the desired home link button while activating your garage remote until the indicator blinks. Test the button and repeat for additional openers. Open the vehicle menu and navigate to Settings, then to Home Link Programming. Press the Home Link button you want to program until it starts flashing slowly, then hold your garage remote close and press its button. For rolling code systems, press the Garage Motors Learn button within 30 seconds, then press the Home Link button until the garage door cycles, indicating successful sync. If it fails, repeat the sequence and ensure the remote battery is fresh. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more troubleshooting guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during garage projects, seals well, and fits cup holders. I use it when testing openers to stay focused and avoid caffeine crashes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Common issues include weak remote battery, incorrect positioning, or interference from metal or other remotes. Clear existing home link codes and start fresh, holding buttons longer when programming. Move the vehicle closer, replace batteries in the remote, and temporarily disable nearby remotes. If the garage uses a rolling code and programming still fails, repeat the learn procedure or consult your dealer for assistance. Always follow safety by keeping hands clear while testing and avoid interrupting the motor.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.